Hi guys, welcome back to the Art of Home Cooking. Today I'm gonna prepare Paneer Tikka. So we will take paneer pieces for the tikka. Now we will put ginger, garlic and green chili paste, 1 teaspoon, salt, a little bit of sugar, put this beaten curd, near about 3 tablespoons of beaten curd, now we'll put this onion pieces, this capsicum, we'll slowly give a mix. One teaspoon of chaat masala, red chilli powder, slowly mix it. And we'll keep this for 5 to 10 minutes. So to make paneer tikka, we need to have this wooden stick. So I will take one wooden stick and will put one capsicum like this way. Then paneer. Again one capsicum. Onion, and again one paneer pieces. So like this way, one paneer tikka is ready to, means it will be grilled. So like this way I will make another one with the same process. So I'm making another one. So I will heat this oil a little bit. And now I will take this paneer tikka stick and put it. So guys, if you like this recipe of mine, then please don't forget to like, share this to your near and dear one, and please subscribe to my channel for other such recipe. I will again come with a new recipe. So till then, take care. Bye bye guys.